Davis, and I'm the Development Director for Unilever in Thailand. And today I'm going to talk to you about Aviance's new product, Resilient Ultimate Caviar Complex Cream and Eye Cream. Yeah. This new range of products is in fact, gives you ultimate smooth skin feel, and it gives a long-lasting effect, reducing wrinkles and lines, and gives you extraordinary and superlative skin care. And why does it do this? Well, there are three reasons. And the three reasons I'll go into in depth a little later. But they are, firstly, the innovation and technology network that we rely upon to deliver the technology. Secondly, because of the powerful ingredients of caviar complex that we use in both the face cream and the eye cream. And thirdly, and also very importantly, the safety support that the products get from the Unilever network. So first point is about Unilever's science and technology base. Now Unilever is a very, very large company, and it donates from its main resources around 2.5% of its total global sales income towards research and development. This translates globally to about $1.1 billion. And a vast majority of that goes into background research and product development research for the benefits of our consumers and our customers. Now, Unilever has a vast array of global technology and science centers around the world. And in fact, we have 3 centers which are dedicated to skin research alone, based in the USA, Japan, and also for Southeast Asia here in Bangkok. Now, in skin alone, in those 3 centers, we employ over 100 graduates who are working solely on the development of innovative and exciting skin products. And that's the sort of wealth of experience and knowledge that Aviance can draw upon to deliver these products to you and to our consumers. The second and very, very important thing about this new launch is the new ingredient that we're using, which is derived from caviar. Now, caviar is known to be the most exclusive and fantastic food, but what is maybe not known so much about it is it has incredibly good skincare properties. So if you take what's in French caviar, it's water, it has a high level of protein, a high level of lipid. Lipid is there to improve the barrier properties of the skin. Proteins help nourishment, and full of minerals, of sodium and potassium and vitamins, which are essential to the healthiness of the skin. So using this new caviar complex is an excellent move and is very, very beneficial to the consumer. Why? We have proteins. Proteins are known to stimulate cell metabolism and skin hydration. We have minerals, which help fortify and mineralize the skin. We have fatty acids and lipids, which improve the lipid barrier, which protects the skin from invasion from the outside. We have vitamins A and D, which help to protect the skin and keep it healthy. So this is a very, very, very powerful ingredient that we're using. Okay, so caviar boosting complex, we know nourishes, it restructures, it regenerates, it moisturizes, and it remineralizes. And this is contained both in the face cream and in our eye cream. The third point, very, very importantly, concerns the safety support that the products that Unilever put on the market get from our central safety support center in the UK. This is known as SEAC, the Safety and Environmental Assurance Center. Now, the important thing to know about SEAC is SEAC operates independently of the operation of the company business, and is there to provide independent approval and advice on the safety of all our products and our raw materials. So we can be assured and guaranteed that everything that we put into the market, that we put into consumers' hands, is absolutely guaranteed to be safe to use. The centre, it's based in the south of England, in Colworth House in Bedfordshire, employs many hundreds of scientists, toxicologists, chemists, environmentalists, who investigate all our raw materials and all our finished goods. And without their approval, it is not possible for us to put this stuff on the market. So you can be absolutely guaranteed and assured of the safety of the product, and also of its very good efficacy, and that we can prove that it does what we want it to do. So what we can say in summary is we have a new product for face cream, we have a new eye cream product which contain a fantastic ingredient which is new to the market, is efficacious, and is proven to be absolutely safe. And all I can do is recommend the product to you now.
Good evening. My name is Fabrice Perrin. I'm French, and I'm working as the managing director of a company called Spin Control Asia. This company is specialized in the testing of the efficacy and the safety of cosmetic products. Resilient Complex Ultimate Smoothing Caviar Cream and Eye Cream are very special in terms of their performances. We have used two different methods to evaluate the efficacy of these two products. The first method was called fringe projection topometry and was used to evaluate the face cream. And the second method, called replica analysis, was used to evaluate the eye cream. So let me show you the impressive results of these two products. Starting from the results of the Resilient Complex Ultimate Smoothing Caviar Cream. At the same time of the fringe projection method, we have performed a consumer test aiming at evaluating the satisfaction of consumers with the use of a product. And these results have shown that 95% of users immediately feel that the skin was softer, more moisturized, and smoother. 100% of the users were satisfied by the rich and soft texture and by the immediate absorption into the skin. The moisturizing of the skin was long-lasting because the moisturizing was obtained during 24 hours. But the most exciting results comes from the fringe projection topometry method, which have shown that the lines and wrinkles were reduced, so resulting in one improvement of the skin's smoothness. You may have questions about the fringe projection topometry, so let me try to give you some explanations about this method. And we get these results. We have demonstrated the anti-wrinkle effect of the Resilient Complex Face Cream after 4 weeks and 8 weeks of application. On the left, you can see one image of the wrinkles of the forehead before the beginning of the treatment, and on the right side, the same wrinkles, but after 8 weeks of treatment, and you can see a very clear improvement, very clear smoothening of the skin, with one improvement in the skin smoothness, which was over 10%. So there is no doubt that the face cream was an effective anti-wrinkle treatment, able to reduce the length and the depth of wrinkles. Now let's go to the eye cream together. Similarly to the research made on face cream, we have performed a consumer test aiming at evaluating the satisfaction of the consumers towards the eye cream product. And these are the results that we have obtained. 95% of the users were satisfied by the efficacy of the eye cream, in particular in reducing the lines and deep wrinkles around the eyes. All the users, 100%, were satisfied by the texture of the product, rich and soft, and by the immediate absorption into the skin. And finally, the moisturizing around the eye corners was long-lasting for a duration of 24 hours. But we have also some proofs from replica analysis showing that the lines and wrinkles around the eye corner were reduced. So let's go to discuss about the replica analysis method. You can obviously see from these pictures that the wrinkles of the crow's feet are blurred after 8 weeks of use of the eye cream. This is because the depth of the wrinkles has been reduced by 38.6%. We have got these results by replica analysis. This method is based on the realization of imprints or replica of the surface of the skin. A liquid resin is mixed with another product and put at the surface on the skin to fill the wrinkles, the lines present at the surface of the skin. After a few minutes, the replica will become hard and then can be removed from the skin, and we obtain this kind of replica. And these negative replicas are then illuminated by one incident light, and the light will create some shadows, and the width of the shadows are proportional to the depth of the wrinkles. So using this method, we have shown that the eye cream product was able to reduce the depth of the wrinkles by 38.6%. And so this method has been able to demonstrate that the eye cream was able to reduce the depth and length of the wrinkles of the crow's-feet area. Therefore, from all the results obtained during our study, using different methods of evaluation, we are sure that resilient complex ultimate smoothing caviar cream and eye cream are highly efficient skincare products.